Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. Do you want to uninstall a program, but it's not in your programs and features or your apps list? Here's how to do it. You're going to left click on the Windows icon, lower left hand corner of your screen, left click on settings, then you're going to left click on apps, then you're going to left click on installed apps, then you're going to look for the program. In this case, for me, I'm going to try and install HP Smart. Then you're going to left click on these three dots to the right and left click on uninstall. Left click on uninstall again, and it should be out of there. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PC Perfect for 10% off your first visit.